mLIMS Creating Litter tutorial generated by Susan from BioInfoRx. Start from an active mating, you can create litter. Click on Review Mating. Select the mating you are interested in. Click on Litter button. From here, you can add litter. Add litter name. Fill in animal name initial and ear tag initial. Fill in number of pups. Fill in the dam information. Fill in the sex information. You can fill in sex information directly or use the top cell in the column. Fill in the color. Set up the cage and genotypes. Click Submit to create the litter. You can review the litter as well. If you have any question, please contact us.